how asteroid worth $10 sextillion that was discovered 172 years ago is being captured by NASA. This ancient asteroid could be the future of NASA's budget, Harry Bolton reports. There's still so much that we don't know about space, but what we are aware of is an asteroid floating around that's worth an estimated $10 sextillion, stepping foot on the moon, getting a wooden satellite into space, and surviving on the International Space Station are all achievements that NASA and other space-associated companies will be endlessly proud of. Breaching the outer confines of Earth will always remain a challenge, at least in the foreseeable future. But what if there was something out there in space that could at least sort out the money side of things? Well, it just so happens that NASA is aware of Psyche 16. It's an asteroid worth a whopping 10 quintillion, I said sextillion, quintillion, and has officially launched a spacecraft in an effort to explore and research the floating ball of rock and metal. The reason why this particular random asteroid is worth so much money is due to its construction, which is estimated to be around 30 and 60% metal. It's argued that within the metal aspects are materials like gold, iron, and nickel, which when amassed as something as large and heavy as this asteroid really start to add up in value. This potato-shaped asteroid is one of the largest of its kind in the solar system, measuring 173 miles across, its widest point 64,000 square miles of total surface area. The tricky part that is actually reaching it, which has proven quite troubling, considering that humans have been aware of Psyche 16 existence for 172 years, discovered by Italian astronomer Annibale de Gasparis on March 17, 1852. This asteroid was originally named after the Greek goddess of the soul, Psyche, meaning soul, with the 16 referring to the fact that it was the 16th asteroid to be discovered. NASA, with the assistance of SpaceX rocket, officially launched what they're calling a Psyche spacecraft October 2023, and it is now traveling towards this asteroid using low-thrust solar electric propulsion. This spacecraft is expected to fly by Mars in May 2026, at which point it'll use the red planet's gravitational pull to increase its velocity and eventually be captured by the gravity of Psyche 16 in July 2029. They'll then use a number of different equipment in order to study the asteroid, with one of its main goals to find out if Psyche 16 is indeed the core of a planetesimal, which is within the current line of thinking. Outside of its significant monetary value, Psyche 16 could also give us information regarding how the Earth's core or other similar rocky or terrestrial planets came to be, which would be a major breakthrough for space-based science. And this is from Unilad Tech by Harry Bolton. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.